Welcome learners to certificate course in nutrition for Airforce personnel, that is aerospace operations. So I'm Rajeshwari Shirke, clinical nutritionist and a adaptive health coach. This is the course overview. So let's get started. In this course, we are going to cover different modules, that is nutritional needs of Airforce personnel, best foods for focus and performance in the air, meal planning and combat rations for Airforce personnel, nutrition for special aviation units and high performance pilots, long-term health and recovery for Air Force personnel. So we'll see what are the different subtopics covered in these modules. In module 1, which is a nutritional need for Air Force personnel, here we are going to discuss how nutrition affects focus, reaction time and stamina, energy need of pilots, engineers and ground crew, challenges of eating in the air and during flight missions, how jet lag and irregular sleep affect the metabolism. In module 2, which is the best food for focus and performance in the air, here we are going to cover different subtopics, that is high energy meals for long flights, high altitude conditions, best sources of carbs, protein and fats for pilots, importance of hydration, avoiding dehydration at high altitudes, why caffeine, energy drinks and sugar can be risky. In module 3, that is meal planning and combat rations for Air Force personnel, pre-flight and mid-flight meal choices, combat rations and on-the-go meals for airborne troops, food that help with motion sickness and fatigue, role of hydration packs and electrolyte drinks. In module 4, nutrition for special aviation units and high-performance pilots, we are going to cover special diets for all the fighter pilots and high-speed aircraft crews, protecting the brain with anti-fatigue food and supplements, preventing muscle loss and bone weakness due to high altitudes, managing hormonal changes caused by frequent time zone shifts. Then the module 5, here we are going to cover long-term health and recovery for Air Force personnel, preventing jet lag, improving sleep with ground nutrition, sleep and nutrition, managing stress, fatigue, mental health with diet, best recovery foods after long missions and extreme training, how to stay fit and eat well during ground duty. So here we have come to the end of this course overview for nutrition for Air Force personnel. I will see you in the module 1. Thank you for listening.